Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step.
What is your name?
My full name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I am from Australia.
What makes you unique?
I never stop learning.
What do you love most?
I love helping others.
What is your biggest dream?
My dream is success.
What inspires you daily?
My family inspires me.
What are your strengths?
I am hardworking and honest.
What is your passion?
My passion is education.
What are your goals?
I want meaningful achievements.
How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
Where do you live now?
I live in Kathmandu.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
What is your profession?
I am a student.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am student.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading and music.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
What kind of music?
I like pop music.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
What is your favorite sport?
Football is my favorite.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
Which country do you like?
I like Japan most.
What languages do you speak?
I speak Nepali and English.
Are you a friendly person?
Yes, I am friendly.
Do you enjoy teamwork?
Yes, I enjoy teamwork.
Are you a hardworking person?
Yes, I am hardworking.
What motivates you most?
Success motivates me daily.
Do you like challenges?
Yes, I like challenges.
What is your personality type?
I am optimistic person.
Are you an introvert?
Sometimes I am introvert.
Are you an extrovert?
Sometimes I am extrovert.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is momo.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook sometimes.
What makes you happy?
Achieving goals makes me happy.
What makes you sad?
Failure sometimes makes me sad.
Do you like morning time?
Yes, I like mornings.
Are you night owl?
No, I sleep early.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like technology?
Yes, I love technology.
What is your favorite subject?
English is my favorite subject.
Do you enjoy English practice?
Yes, I enjoy English.
Why are you learning English?
I want global communication.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies.
What genre do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media.
What is your daily routine?
I wake, study, exercise.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise daily.
What time do you wake?
I wake at 6.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have siblings.
How many family members?
There are 5 members.
Are you close family?
Yes, we are close.
What values guide you?
Honesty and respect guide me.
Do you like helping others?
Yes, I help others.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is novel.
Who is your role model?
My father is role model.
Why do you admire them?
He works very hard.
Do you like leadership?
Yes, I like leadership.
Are you confident speaker?
Yes, I am confident.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, I love learning.
What skills are improving?
I improve communication skills.
Do you plan higher studies?
Yes, I plan masters.
What career do you want?
I want software engineer.
Do you like creativity?
Yes, I like creativity.
Can you work under pressure?
Yes, I handle pressure.
What are your weaknesses?
Sometimes I overthink things.
How do you improve yourself?
I learn from mistakes.
Do you like public speaking?
Yes, I like speaking.
What is your biggest fear?
Failure is my fear.
How do you relax?
I listen to music.
Do you enjoy nature?
Yes, I love nature.
What is your hometown?
My hometown is Janakpur.
Do you miss your hometown?
Yes, I miss it.
Do you celebrate birthdays?
Yes, I celebrate birthdays.
What makes you proud?
My parents make proud.
Do you believe in success?
Yes, I believe success.
What does success mean?
Success means happiness and growth.
Do you like positive people?
Yes, I like positivity.
Are you punctual person?
Yes, I am punctual.
Do you manage time well?
Yes, I manage time.
What is your morning habit?
I exercise Eve.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee.
What is your favorite drink?
Tea is favorite drink.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I like pets.
What animal do you like?
I like dogs most.
Do you enjoy music daily?
Yes, I enjoy music.
Can you sing well?
I sing a little.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing.
What makes you confident?
Preparation makes me confident.
Do you like smart goals?
Yes, I like smart goals.
Are you disciplined person?
Yes, I am disciplined.
Do you save money?
Yes, I save money.
What is your future plan?
I plan bright future.
Do you want business?
Yes, I want business.
Do you prefer job?
I prefer stable job.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is engineer.
Where do you see yourself?
I see successful professional.
What makes you different?
My mindset makes different.
Why should we remember you?
You remember my positivity.
Can you summarize yourself?
I am ambitious learner.